Hello, fourth grade. This is your homework video for tonight, multiplying by two-digit numbers. Our standard for today is numbers in base 10, multiply two-digit numbers using area models. Remember, the idea is that you watch this video tonight and come in tomorrow ready to work these problems. So if you need to watch this video more than once, please do so tonight. Our objective for this evening and for tomorrow is multiply two-digit whole numbers by two-digit multipliers with regrouping. So I'm going to show you one problem, which is 74 times 56, and then we'll be working more of these problems tomorrow. So first thing we want to do with 74 times 56 is to use the breaking apart strategy. So we're going to break apart 74 into 7 tens and 4 ones, and break apart 56 into 5 tens and 6 ones. Now we're going to use an area model to make this multiplying easier for us. So we have our 7 tens and 4 ones and 5 tens and 6 ones, and we're going to place these numbers on the outside of our area model. So remember, 7 tens is 7D, and then we have our 4 ones. 5 tens is 50, and then we have our 6 ones. So notice I used how we broke them apart to place them on the outside. So now that we've placed them, we need to multiply them. So the first one we're going to do is going to be 7D times 50. Now remember, if you're looking at this, this is 7 tens and 5 tens. So what we can do is multiply the 7 and the 5 and the 10 and the 10. We can separate them from each other. So 7 times 5 is 35, 10 times 10 is 100, 35 times 100 gives us 3,500. Remember the skill that we did with just pretending like the zeros aren't there? 35 times 1 is 35, and then you have your 2 zeros back on the end. The next one is 4 times 50, or 4 groups of 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 10 is 200. And we put the 200 right there. Next one is just a simple ones place fact. 6 groups of 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and we place the 24. Lastly, 6 groups of 70. 6 times 7 is 42, times 10 is 420. Remember that with the 0. 42 times 1 is 42, and the 0 on the end. So now we've placed everybody in the box that they go, and now we're going to add everything up. So 3,500, 200, 420, and 24. Remember, the order doesn't matter, but the place does. Make sure that you've lined them all up. This is 3,000, and this is 24. So make sure they're all lined up correctly. Starting adding in the ones place, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Next place, 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Again, you could almost just ignore the zeros. 5 plus 2 plus 4 is 11. 1 down, you've got to carry the 1 up to the thousands place. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4,144. And so we take that answer, and that is the answer to 74 times 56 using the area model. Again, watch the video again if you need to. I don't expect you to be perfect tomorrow, but I want you to make sure that you have this idea. See you tomorrow.